Hello, guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. Yes, it's a last puzzle. The last puzzle in today's newspaper of no, not in today's newspaper. No, in today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 24th, 2023. We have no extra puzzles, no additional. No, it's the edition of Wednesday. August 23rd, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. Well, it turns out this is not a 2 stars, it's just an ordinary 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so one puzzle is left. Let me show you. One puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, yeah, Tectonic. Alright, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, yeah, Suguru. Let me get some space. Come on. Have some space. Yeah, this is not too far. Alright. Position the camera. Yeah. Alright. This one will be number, I believe, 6979. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Yeah. 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has it's also indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here a single box, always a 1, the single box. More single boxes, no. Do we have here dual box? I see here dual box, there dual box, and here dual box. In this dual box, the 1 is already given, so 1 box left is for the 2, of course. Here the 1 and the 2, I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. Insufficient information. Here, the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, quadra boxes then. I see here 1 quadra box in an L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always the 5 here, 5. And the missing numbers here could be everywhere, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, okay, more quadra boxes, no. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, but also that box has the same number as this box, so that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, yeah. Only 1 T shape. Well, only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Here, another one. Also rotated or mirrored. This box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 1 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape upside down? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? This shape here, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle with only 5 that you need to recognize. I believe one of the shapes, the Z or the S construction, is missing here, but whatever. We have here 5, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1 in this L shape, but also that box can be a 1 in this L shape. So 1 box left for the L shape in this area. L shape area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 is left in this area for number 4. And this box is connected with that box. We also 1 or a 2. Is connected with this box. We 1 or a 2. Right. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here or there, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 4. But also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Alright. Okay, and now 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be here. Alright, this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Yeah. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. Then, let me see. Well, this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Here we have 2 missing numbers for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. So 4 and 5. Alright. This box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. And is connected with that box. So we also a 2. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box. So we also 4 and 5. These two boxes can be 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left here. Again, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 2 and 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 5. So one box left in this area for number 4. Here we have a 5. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 4. One box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 4. One box left in this area for number 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. 2 and 4. Okay. Well. These two boxes can be a 2. So one box left with a 2 in this quadrat box should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or 3, but we already have a 3 here in this quadrat box, so it can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. One box left in this T-shaped area for the number 3. One box left in this quadrat box for the number 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. One box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. Then. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. And this connect with that box will be 1 and 4. What we already have a 4 here, so it can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be also 1. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there, finish in 50 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again, yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow, last working day. Almost weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Thursday.